Hello everybody, my name is Mathias Magnier and today I'm going to cook an apple pie for 8 people. To start, I'll prepare the dough.
The ingredients are 250 grams of flour, 50 grams of icing sugar, 1 egg yolk, and 125 grams of melted butter. I pour my flour, my icing sugar, my egg yolk, and 1 pinch of salt in my mixer. I press on and I wait 30 seconds. After this time, I pour my melted butter in my mixer and I press on again and I wait until it shapes a ball. Of course, I do not forget to add a little water. When the ball is formed, I can stop. After that, I can remove my dough and knead it so that it forms a perfect ball. And after, I wrap it in the cloth and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to start peeling apples. In fact, I just need 3 apples. I cut my apples. Then I take my dough off the fridge and I flat it while forming it. After I flat it, I can put my dough in a plate. And I form the corners of my dough so that it looks better. For the bottom of my pie, I add a clementine jam to have a sweet taste. And to finish the preparation, I put my slices of apple on my pie. And I add several pinches of brown sugar. Then I put my apple pie to bake in the oven for 30 minutes to 220 degrees. Thanks for watching and enjoy the apple pie!